Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to show you how you can actually install the latest antutu benchmark application in any Android device. So as you can see friends, right now I'm using the antutu benchmark application at the moment, as you can see, so which is not available in the Play Store, and that is where you need to know from where you need to download this kind of antutu benchmark application. And recently I did a video friends again, and this is the second part which I'm trying to do because the latest antutu benchmark application got updated and even the website from where to download. So let's begin the review how to download and install the antutu benchmark application. So first you need to just type in the Google antutu benchmark APK. As you can see friends, just type in the Google antutu benchmark APK. So as soon as you type the antutu benchmark APK, you'll get the first link how you can actually download. So click on the first link you get, which is antutu.com, so which says antutu.com. So as soon as you click, so this is a website where you will be getting, as you can see friends, so this is a website which says antutu.com/en, as you can see here. So this is a website where, so in case if you get .com, just type /en. So this is a website which will be in the English language. So once you get to the website, try to zoom in and click on this download option, so which is a download here. So once you click on the download, so you'll get this kind of different options here, as you can see friends. So this is a kind of new thing which got updated recently, the antutu benchmark website. So that's why I thought of doing a video. So here don't get any kind of confused friends. So first click on this first option, so which says download open beta. So try to click on the first option which says, as you can see, download open beta. Click OK. The beta APK will be downloaded successfully. So you do need two files. So number one is the APK and number two is a 3D benchmark, so which will be able to perform the duties as it is. As you can see right now I'm trying to install the antutu benchmark application. So once because my phone already has the antutu benchmark application, so I don't need to install it again. So next option is to download the 3D application, as you can see, 3D APK. And remember friends, the size of this APKs will be a little bit kind of big. And this is the first APK which we downloaded, the size is close to 46 MB, and the second APK, which is a 3D benchmark, the size is close to 642 MB. So overall I think you do need 688 MB of data to download the antutu benchmark application. 688 MB friends. So make sure to keep your mobile data safe. So don't try to use download when your mobile data is kind of less. So this will be quite helpful. So in this way you'll be able to download and install the APK files directly in your smartphone about the antutu benchmark test results. So once you've done that, that's it friends. You just need to click on this one and give the permission for the Chrome browser to install. So that is how you need to do it. So that's it friends. This is a quick review on this latest antutu benchmark test, how you can actually install and set up. So thank you friends for watching this video, and make sure to check the links in description for more videos on this live wallpapers what I'm trying to use in all the smartphones. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.